Are you one of those people who are sick and tired of clicking this kind of picture on Diwali? If you are, then you have come to the right place because I'm going to show you how I clicked my pictures in my balcony, like in a very limited space for this Diwali, and you can get some idea or some sort of inspiration. Inspiration is such a like heavy word. I don't use it for myself, but yeah, you can take some inspo or idea. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then keep watching the video. You may like something, you may subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to make this video very short, crisp and to the point. The first tip or the first way to click picture is to flaunt your outfit. There could be two ways. You can play with your dupatta, or you can play with your sari, kapallu, or like whatever you are wearing on Diwali. You can try to showcase your outfit in the best possible manner. Now you can take picture from the low angle, which can show the flare of your skirt or your like lehenga, or you can take from the like above angle and you can keep diya all around you, and that will be such an amazing and dope picture. Like diya ke साथ तो हम लोग picture खींचते ही हैं. Try to get more creative with diyas. Also, one more tip about diyas: you can click pictures with diyas, but make sure that you have some light in the background as well. It looks super festive and it looks super pretty. The next prop I'm going to tell you to use is the flowers. Now flowers are like a must have for Diwali. सबके घरों पे आएंगे. Try to मम्मी से थोड़ा bargain करके थोड़े से अपने लिए ले लेना, and try to click a picture from a low angle. And बस कुछ नहीं करना है, बर्स्ट मोड पे आपको फूल उड़ाते हुए की फ़ोटो खींचनी है. आई हैव क्लिक दिस पिक्चर. I'll show you the before and after the editing. It looks super fine. If you want to post a natural picture without any filters, you can go ahead. This looks super dope, I feel. But with the editing, the flower colors become more dominant, so which looks really nice. You can just play around the flowers so much. Like I have clicked so many pictures using just flowers, like keeping the flowers in my hand. You can do so much with the flowers. Like you can play hide and seek, you can try to cover your face with the flowers and try to get more little creative and click aesthetic pictures for your Instagram. You can also use phoolon ki mala to click more pictures. You can even hold the flowers in your hands if you don't want to show your face or something like that. These are the like very basic ideas, I think, like around flowers. We just not need to post diya picture. There is so much more to Diwali, How can we forget fairy lights? So if you want to click a very prompt Diwali picture, make sure you have fairy lights around you or in the background or just nearby. They give really amazing effect. Like मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है. And later on you can even add a bokeh effect of lights and stuff, and which looks super pretty. So that's one more way to click Diwali pictures. I will insert my before and after, and if you want me to show you how I edit my pictures, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, the last one is using the फुलझड़ी. Now I am not saying कि आप लोग पटाखे फोड़ो, और वैसे सीएम ने बंद भी कर दिए हैं दिल्ली में पटाखे, बट कुछ लोग होंगे जो गुड़गांव और फरीदाबाद से जाके ले आएंगे. So मैं वो नहीं प्रमोट कर रही हूँ. मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि अगर आपके पास एक या दो फुलझड़ी है, and if you are going to use them, so you can try to take a very fancy pictures using your camera settings, and you can even take a normal picture and later you can edit it. It looks really nice if you take a close-up shot while playing with the fulchari. I don't know what we call fulchari in English. Okay, never mind. So that's that. So play around with your fulchari or anar if you're going to burn. For this video, I just bought 4 fulcharis, and this is what I have clicked. We generally don't buy patakas. Like, it's been 10-12 years we burst crackers on Diwali. Like, it's not a ritual in our house. I just did it for this specific video. Do not call me out, okay? I know it's not a good thing. बस मैं कह रही हूँ कि if you have फुलझड़ी in your house and if you don't, बाकी के 2-3 जितने भी steps बताए हैं उनसे भी photos खींच सकते हो, ठीक है? If you don't have a proper background in your house or you are not decorating your house very well like me, so what you can do is you can collect all the fancy dupattas in your house, make a backdrop in your balcony and go and click pictures. That's a very cheap, effective way to click Diwali appropriate pictures. I'm telling you, everyone does it. Even I have done it, so don't feel shy about it, just do it. So a quick recap: you can play with your outfit, you can click pictures using flowers, you can play hide and seek using flowers, you can also use fairy lights to, you know, click more Diwali appropriate pictures, and you can also use diyas, but make sure you have some fairy lights in the background which makes it look more Diwali prompt. वो सिर्फ दिवाली लाइक दिया की थाली पकड़ के खड़े मत हो जाना, नो, ठीक है? अब इतना कर दिया है तो थोड़ी सी मेहनत और कर लेना, थोड़ा सा लाइटिंग स्पॉट ढूंढ लेना. It looks really nice and you can later edit the picture if it has proper light. You can later go and edit the picture. So yeah, that was it. I hope you like at least 1 or 2 pictures in this video. I'm really hoping at least कुछ तो पसंद आ ही जाएगा. If you like anything in this video, please comment down below. I would read all of them. Like, that's my part-time hobby. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and happy Diwali week, I hope. And I'll see you next week. Bye. I'm shooting this in the morning, so if my face is looking very swollen, that's because it